From Kathmandu hotel we are driving to the Kathmandu domestic airport. From domestic airport we are flying to Tumlingtar airport. So we are heading to fly Tumlingtar airport. At GP station we will go drive by from here to Sedua. So it takes approximately 4 to 5 hours. So here we are Sedua. This manual between Dandaharko to Kongma Danda. So we are staying overnight here. This is called Sano Pokhari. Here we are Simtongla Pass. My background is mountain Chomolongma and Nepal Peak. And little background is pass. On the pass, hanging the prayer flag. So we are right now Simtomla Pass, which is 4,250 meter high from sea level. This is called Kalo Pokhari. This lake is between Simtomla Pass to Kekele Pass. So from Dobara to get downhill, and then to that straight normal flight valley to near the landslide place. There from one of the Sorten. So from Sorten to see the first mountain view of this Nepal mountain. So here we arrive Angliharga, staying overnight here today. This is a Shivadhara, Shiva and Parvati check. They are dropping the water. So here we are Langmale, which is 4,450 meter from sea level. So we are seeing this kind of view from here. So this is the tea houses. So over there is mountain view. This place name of Lamma Lake Harka, one of the best and excellent view of the mountain range. So it's pretty beautiful and magnificent view of the mountain range. This is hotel accommodation Lama Lekharka. Day 7 we are heading to Makalu base camp. From on the way we are seeing this kind of view as a photo section. So after 5 days raining, what a nice view today. So we are heading to Makalu base camp. So right now on the way. This place name was sightseeing, the stupa. We are on the way on Makalu base camp to Langma Lekharka. So there are tea houses. Sersung. This is the view from Makalu base camp. So down there Makalu base camp tea houses. So over there is Mount Makalu, world of fifth highest mountain. Accommodation of Makalu base camp hotel. Day 8 rest day of Makalu base camp. That day we are exploring around there and we are hiked to 3 hour the viewpoint. From there we are seeing those kind of mountain view, Mount Makalu and other range as well. Next day, day 9, we are heading back down to the Lekharka. This is a Lower Borun Lake. From Lekharka we see the Shiva Cave and Parvati Cave. It's very nice with mountain view. These are Brickman stone in Salden Peak. Here are hanging Chorten and Manewal. So viewpoint of the Kanchenjunga from here. But today is already cloud, no any view. This is our jeep going to Tumningtar from Sedua. So our trek is ending. Here we are Tumlingtar airport. We are checking. Now put the air. This is Tumlingtar airport. So we are going to by flight to Kathmandu. So we are landing Kathmandu airport. Now heading to